To download Thumbtastic on Mac, go to larsbarnaby.com/thumbtastic.html. I'll put a link in the description. Then you just scroll down to the Mac version, click the button, and it'll take a moment for it to download. Sorry, I didn't mean for you to see OBS. So when it's done downloading on Mac, it usually does that hopping thing. And it'll take just a moment to open. And here we are. Just drag that to the Applications folder, and then it'll be in the Applications folder in just a second. And now we go to our Applications folder, and Thumbtastic will be here. Okay, but the important thing is you want to right-click and then click Open. And the first time it's not going to allow you to open it because of Mac security. I didn't code sign my application, and basically code signing just acts weird because it's not verified by me. But basically, you just click Cancel the first time, then you click right-click again, click Open, and then you can click Open. And now, here's the application. And you could choose images to use as art reference off your computer, and you could open it, and you can use Thumbtastic. Thank you so much for listening. I'm just going to end this video.